Hello, we're going to be showing how to replace or troubleshoot the head of the super transfer pump. First thing you need to do is remove the pre-filter and the outlet hose. To do that, you need to push back the levers that hold them in place. It's always easier to use a screwdriver to push those back. Make sure when you assemble it back together, you put them back in and push them all the way so there is less risk of air intake. Once they're out, to replace the head, you need to disconnect the pressure switch. So to disconnect the pressure switch, first thing you need to do is remove the lid that's covering the pressure switch. Use a screwdriver to remove that small screw. Once that's out, pull both wires gently. That's part of your pressure switch. In case your pump is not having current, one of those wires might be unplugged. So you can also try to make sure they're properly plugged before running your pump or before changing the head, because that could be the issue. Once those are out, you want to unscrew the 4 bolts that are keeping the head together with the pump. You can use a 5/16 tool to take them out. They're quite long screws, so it's not that they're constantly spinning, but they will come out.